Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Brian. Thank you for tuning in for a new video. Today, I'm going to be doing a swipe, and I'm going to be using a couple of different colors that I haven't tried out for a swipe. So I'm very excited because if this works out, then I definitely want to use these colors on a much larger canvas. So I'll get you down on the canvas. We'll talk about the canvas size and the colors, and then we'll get started. All right. All right, everyone. So what I've got here is a 12 by 24 canvas. I've turned it sideways. I'm going to do a swipe, and I'm just going to go straight across. I'm using 4 colors today. So the colors I'm using today are DecoArt Aquamarine. I am using DecoArt Metallics Emerald Green. And I'm using FolkArt Aqua Flash Turquoise. And then I'm also going to use Amsterdam's Pearl Green. So I got a really great effects using the pearl last time. So I'm going to try this one since I'm using a green theme here. I'm going to be using a black base. So I went ahead and painted up my sides with black. So it's still a little wet actually. So what I'm going to do is I am actually trying an experiment here. I am going to be using my same colors that I use for my Dutch pours. So I'm going to be using a thinner base. Now, I know Kathleen with Cause Creations, she keeps her paint fairly thin and she uses a little GAC 100, in which I have done in the past as well. But I just want to see how this is going to play out with just using my Dutch pour mix, which is just Floetrol, paint, and water. My swipe tool I'm going to be using is my little plastic swiping tool I got from Sandra with Sandra's Sensations. I will link her down here. She's very sweet. She sent me this as a gift, so I really appreciate that, Sandra. I'm gonna see if I can try this the way Kathleen does. She pours a little out on her canvas, tilts it around. So. right, guys, I want to add a little bit more of this pearl green as a swipe color. Just want to try to break up some of the green here. So this tool is awesome. As soon as I swipe, I put it on the plastic on my table and I wipe it off, and it comes off clean. Perfect. All right. And I'm gonna bring you guys down and I will show you the wet result. Be right back. That's better. That's better. All right, so I'll bring you up here. Don't get the glare, but you get the shadow. So I'm gonna have to hold the camera at an angle. But I'm loving the swipe, how it came out. There's that pearl green that I added back in. The pearl green almost kind of mixes with the colors and makes a gray. I think what's happening, it's mixing with the black. It's gonna have some shimmer to it. You can already see that with the studio lights off from that metallic and those DecoArt colors. So I love this piece, guys. All right, I'll let you see the dried result. I will be right back. Okay, everyone, here is the dried result. This really came out awesome. It almost kind of looks like an x-ray of teeth. But I love the colors. I'm gonna do the same colors on a larger canvas and maybe get some more of the lighter color, the pearl, to kind of come out a little more, so it's a little bit, just got some lightness to it. So also, this has got Liquitex gloss varnish on it. It does not have resin on it. So I'm liking this look. Maybe I'll do a bigger one with resin, we'll see. But overall, really beautiful. I love how it came out. So, all right, everyone, as always, if you're interested in any of my art, you can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. All right, everyone, I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.